Okay.
Okay, this is my project. This is the JBOD. On the JBOD, there's supposed to be a breadboard at the back with the connections. That's what it's supposed to come with, but I did not like it because I thought it, made it look more unprofessional. And because I planned to make it underwater, I removed it and I had to rewire things inside.
Okay.
So it works without the breadboard.
Okay. Did you also cut a special hole here for your to sink the servo down in? Or was it already there?
I had to install it specially because everybody else's servos at the top like this,
Yeah.
mine is at the bottom, and the reason is because I planned to cover the sides and make it waterproof.
Right. But did you cut a hole in this plate?
It was there.
Oh, it was there. Okay.
Yes. Something else is that if there's a black object, the sonar oftentimes has problems detecting it, and just tries to go and go and go and cannot.
I have a feeling.
I'm sorry, not the servo, but the sonar.
Yeah, I have a feeling that the sonar is actually going to be more susceptible to like sound absorbent material.
Yeah.
So, like if you had a piece of foam or cardboard or something like that, you wouldn't be able to...
Metal it detects good, but yeah, like black, especially black objects and sound absorbing. And so what I did is I installed a light, and just a typical light. Whenever there's something black, it would reflect light, and it more accurately detects that there's an object there.
Okay. I'm surprised that it's sensitive to light and color, since it's sonar.
It doesn't really make a difference because whenever it absorbs, something absorbs, what light does, it creates more a reflection. And due to the reflection, the sonar is able to work better.
Okay.
And I hot glued inside. I can open and show you the basically to prevent water from going in. But on the second part, it did not hot glue because I used both distilled water. And whenever there's a battery inside, it ionizes it and it transfers electricity. I've tried using deionized water. This I got from room 256 in this building.
Okay.
But same thing, it conducts electricity because whenever the battery is inside the water, it makes it ionized.
Right.
And something else is that with this project, I had to install these. These were taken from a desktop computer, mounting brackets, or I'm not sure exactly what they're called. And basically what it does, it slightly lowers the angle.
Okay.
Slightly lowers the angle of this board, and therefore it's not looking straight whenever going down, but it's more looking in the direction where it's going. Because if there's something like a chair, like an item like this, it looks over here. And so it thinks there's nothing here, but whenever the angle is down, it is more able to detect places like this and like this.
Okay.
That's another modification that I made to it. And other than that, I think everything else should be the same as the previous JBOD project.
Okay, so are these the batteries? These
Yes.
6 batteries, do they power the motors?
No, it powers the Arduino and the server.
Okay.
While for the motor, there's 5 batteries inside. The reason it's 5 because 6 would not fit there, and in the kit they included 5 batteries to power the 4 wheels.
Okay. All right. Sounds
And
good.
it actually requires 2 different switches. One switch over here, and one connection over here would be connected. See, if I turn this one on, its wheels on. If I turn this one off, its wheels off, but there's still electricity to the servo.
And electricity to
To the board.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Need a volunteer to put